Now, Hindu and Muslim organizations in South Africa are objecting to a proposed law. The draft rule will require an electronic certificate from the Department of Home Affairs before final rites actually take place. The community say that this will clash with religious practices that call for same-day funeral. For Hindus and Muslims, the final rites take place within the same day, and the religious groups warn that weekends and public holidays could lead to delays for several days. The Hindu Coordinating Council has said that the move could now infringe on religious freedoms. It has cited the Hindu beliefs in the cycle of birth, death and rebirth, where cremation is a sacred ritual that is meant to be performed within 24 hours. The Sunni Ulama Council has also urged the government to withdraw this proposal, warning that it could violate basic constitutional rights. Now, the authorities say that the plan aims to curb fraud in National Population Register as some deaths go unregistered and allows identity abuse. In response to the objections, the government has promised that there will be no deviation from cultural or religious practices. The officials have also announced plans for a 24-hour digital registration system under a new digital ID platform that seeks to balance administrative reforms with religious sensitivities. And our correspondent, Calden Ongmu, has sent us this report from Johannesburg in South Africa. Isn't it?
Hindus and Muslim community in South Africa have come together to reject the country's Department of Home Affairs proposed new legislation that says an electronic death certificate must be issued before any burial can take place as part of efforts to tighten registration and prevent fraud. The requirement has sparked concern, and communities argue that the religious practices call for swift burials and that delays in processing the e-death certificate could cause distress for grieving families. Community leaders say they support proper documentation but want urgent engagements with authorities to ensure cultural and religious rights are respected. Home Affairs has since clarified that where immediate burial is required for religious or cultural reasons, notice of death form can be completed by a medical professional. This allows the burial to proceed with formal registration done once Home Affairs offices reopen. This is Calden Ongmu from Johannesburg, South Africa for WION World is One.